Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the chart. You tuned into the Market Beast Edition. Fellow competitor speaking. Today we'll be exploring the RESN ticker symbol. I think some of you wonderful folks need an update on this. Thank you for the request to do the update. So let's take a look at everything and see what we have. If you're new here, welcome. A little unusual at times, but if you have an open mind, we'd love for you to join us here in this interesting journey. Excuse me, loyal subscribers, welcome back. YouTube algorithm picking up on your engagement, appropriate thumbs and comments. Thank you. So let's go and open up the charts, and there's a little bit of a concern here. I'm going to get into the details, so let's go and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's March the 12th, 2021, and the current price of RESN is going to be $4.85. It's down approximately 4.3% for the day. Okay. Resonant, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, guys. Correct me down in the comment section. All right, so here is the weekly candles. And just a really quick credential check, like if you're just stopping in, we posted a video on this January 27, 2021. This secret stock is quietly breaking out right now. And you see the price is like 361. My little strap hate when I do this. Sorry, guys. But notice, I just want to give you guys a kind of a tip because the critics are stopping in like, please. When I post a video and you see like a thumbnail, notice at the end if there's like two exclamation marks, that means I'm almost certain that it's actually happening. But if you see an exclamation mark and a question mark, then that means that I'm asking a question, right? So let me see if I can, there's no example on here. Renaissance bullish 4x soon. Here's another video that we posted September the 23rd, 2020. We have a $12 target. It was at $2.16 at the time. So yeah, I just wanted to show those of you who are just stopping in. Yeah, we've been following this for some time. Now, here's what we have. Let's reveal the lines. All right, that's it. Really simple, ladies and gentlemen. What you are looking at is the two critical lines that I have identified. And it's actually below the green line. Now, this is actually a little bit concerning for me. I'll be honest with you. I would much rather preferred RESN, this ticker symbol, to stay above the $5.56 level. So if we can't get above that level, let's just say within the next 2 weeks, I'm going to expect a little bit more downwards pressure in the market, potentially even as low as $3.30. Okay, so again, just to be totally transparent with you all, we are still invested in this market. We're well positioned. The only thing we're waiting to do is potentially hedge ourselves, which we have not done on this move down here, right? Started in February the 8th, 2021 right here. We didn't play it down, but essentially what I'm saying here is, because it sounds like it's just salad of words, the $5.56 level. If, like, let's just say we start consolidating a little bit and we just kind of come up to this 556 and we're just having a little trouble, yeah, I'm going to have to put it down. Well, I'm going to have to hedge my position. There's a difference between putting a stock down and hedging your position, okay? We're positioned in this market, and again, we'd have to try to preserve our capital by hedging ourselves. So hopefully we'll come up with a video kind of explaining it the best we can. It's weird how we do it, so it's hard for me to explain. But it works sometimes. So yeah, 556 is the level. Must get back above that level, or yeah, a little bit more downwards pressure, guys. You have to expect that. So I'm not sure where you guys are entered in this market. If you've entered it, remember, this is a financial advice. I'm just telling a story behind price action, okay? So understand that, please. And that's what I'm seeing. So let's give this price action another, what did I say, 3 weeks? Let's give it a good 4 weeks. Okay, so let me do a really quick measurement on this, and I guess if we need to do an update, I'll do that if necessary. So by March the 29th, the end of this month, I'd like to see this price back above 556. If not, and we're just kind of spending a bunch of time below it, yeah, let's say at least 4 weeks. By the end of March, if it's still below 556, ooh, yeah, I would raise an eyebrow because it's not showing strength. What we want to see is continuation, right, of the thrust and ease to the upside. I think all the way back here is the lowest point that I can identify, which is going to be a low of about 96 cents. And then if you notice this area over here, there's a low of about $1, right? The lowest level, yeah, like 95 cents. So I like to see a continuation, right? Just continue to walk up the stairs. It's not necessarily in an uptrend. It's just kind of breaking out of a interesting consolidation range. Really nice move to the upside. My price target is not going to change. It's just under $12. This white line overhead here. So again, the only thing that I'll be doing is hedging myself accordingly when necessary, which it may be necessary soon. Let's let the price action determine that, okay? Don't start selling or buying based on what I'm saying, okay? Remember, do your research. on these companies. I still have no clue what this company is. I think it's, I don't know, something futuristic. All right. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing in the markets. Hopefully you have the time frame. We already gave you that at the end of March, and you have the level that needs to get above. So I think we're done here, guys. Hopefully you're doing well. We cut it out. Thank you for your time. I'll say that a million times because I am appreciative of it. Also, before you go, if you're new, we cover the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, we'd love for you to subscribe with us kindly so we can see that information when it's available. And I think we covered everything. So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.